for the big moment. Adding all this beautiful, tasty chicken with a nice butter sauce. So yes guys, Daily Vlogs of Videsh, and today we're gonna make a famous chicken corn soup, guys. I personally think this is the best soup that Leah does make. It better than She Fish Broth, and She Fish Broth is one of the best, but this is one of my favorite soup. So I'm not gonna do exact ingredients, but I will show you step by step, you know, what she normally do. She add a little oil, and what kind of butter is that, Leah?
Normal Kerrygold butter.
Normal Kerrygold butter, right? So you'll see how this soup is. It's like a gourmet corn soup, but it have chicken breast in it, right? So that we call it chicken corn soup.
Well, I'm making it like a normal corn soup, like where it's by, you know, and I'm making it like how it is. Make it with the provision, and then I'm making it like with, you know, me as we sweet potato and everything. This time I'm making it like what you buy, and I add in the chicken breast.
Very nice.
Because I prefer that kind of corn soup.
We'll see how it goes.
And then the onions.
Chava,
Pimento.
onion and pimentos. Real onions and just onion and pimento. You put no garlic yet?
Yeah, I put some garlic, but the rest are add off. Yeah.
Plenty, guys. A big pot of soup we're making. I want to share soup for everybody. Everybody gonna get a bowl of soup later. Once it is good. Baby. Some fresh celery. You know, some salt and some black pepper. So guys, after let's see the soup, I like a little bit of corn soup business. Chicken corn soup, not normal corn soup. You gotta try a like extra, but like small thing. People in China I realize it's pay once it tastes good. They don't mind paying the extra. Some save. So there's so many carrots going now, and some remaining back for later. This is somebody recipe all year, you just it's she recipe, right? All the pumpkin?
Yeah, how much I feel to use.
So pumpkin early. And we're giving it a very nice turn. Well, it's about 2 years we make one soup here.
Not so long. I make one soup the other one.
I can't remember.
Yeah. And then maybe chicken one I make normal veggie.
So guys, as you all could see, Leah make sure and saute all the stuff. I know a lot of people just make corn soup and they just put everything to boil. That is a different method. So use the method you like. And some fresh thyme. Plenty time.
Okay, let's add some coconut milk.
Time for the coconut milk. That's the powder one, guys. That's 1 Check how pretty that looking. Wow. Some hot water we just added. We actually add any water in steps. This is some pre-boiled dal from the grocery. You know, you don't have to buy this from the grocery. And yeah, okay, let's boil your dal, right?
I just had this in the freezer, so I use
this
it.
This is just save us a ton of time.
I was by this when we're making the double strana, so
yes.
instead of boiling dal, I just add a little bit.
Save us real time. Remember to always working people, so anything that save you some time, we taking that. Looking like nice corn porridge.
Not plenty.
And like also chana. Some pre-boiled chana, guys. This you can also boil before
That's all
we just do our
yeah.
time. She had plenty pre-boil channel.
I was supposed to salt it, but I forget it.
Nice. So yes guys, so that big pot we're using, so we use the biggest cover my mother have to cover it. Baba corn soup for the while. This is a little quick melt down and then we gotta add more water. This is some cream style corn. I think she added 2 tins. Nice. So let's change it up immediately. So you had it like sauteing more or less with a little drop of water for a little 15 minutes then. Coconut milk for 15 minutes then.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Nice.
Yeah, everything had a soft on, so you see everything's soft watch when you press it. So
nice.
now you could puree it. Or
you're gonna puree it?
chunky if you want. But I like to puree most of it.
Nice. Yeah, let me do it. How do you like it? Let me do it. Guys, if you don't have this, you can use a swizzle stick and press. So guys, now she use a little kind of strainer here. Let's get out somebody. What's that? The skin from the cream corn?
Corn, yeah. You need to get some carrots with it.
A little thing is small thing, right? So you don't have to do this, right? It's up to you. This is optional. See, look guys, there's a little skin from the corn. She's gonna take on that. Nice. Time to add some more hot water. We don't have any cold water, we just keep topping up with hot water from the kettle because it's a very big pot. So So guys, this is about how much water she added. It was like about 3 kettle. Like the pot is a very big pot. Time for the big moment, guys. Corn, like the main thing, and plenty of it. We had a nice little pepper. We won't bust the pepper in there.
Nah, man. Which one?
So yeah, the kids go eat some real corn. Plenty corn. A whole bowl of corn. We actually have 2 bowls of corn. So we don't know how much we had in yet. Nice. Get back to this corn, guys. So guys, we're gonna cover this pot. This is what pot of corn soup. Have a look, you understand? You know, some you buy corn soup and you get 1 piece of corn. Let's say she got about 10 pieces of corn in every spoon. Some salt, more salt. Nice. So guys, now she's gonna saute some chicken breast, just some butter and some seasoned chicken, just salt, black pepper and some fresh shallot onion, onion garlic. So she's gonna saute some butter and this will add to the ending here. This will add to the ending?
Yeah. Because of the pepper.
Very nice. So this will then take your corn soup 10 levels higher than it is, right? Nice. So guys, that was just half of the chicken. She's doing the other half. But she really want to get salt and get a nice little texture. There's plenty chicken, enough chicken.
Yeah, and then I'll use the butter sauce.
To add in the corn soup, yes. That is what it is, the real flavor. Time to add the carrots. You add some carrots in the beginning too?
Yeah.
To boil long end?
To puree.
No, this is for aesthetics.
To get a nice little...
A little nice little, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. So chicken already steam up nice. Now, next step is to add the dumpling and last add the chicken.
Well, the corn are finished cooking.
Yeah. So there's the dumpling. I get a fairly good amount of dumpling. You can add as much as you like. But you know, I'm making it small bites, so you can eat it nice with a spoon. You know, sometimes you buy corn soup and you got a big chunk of dumpling, you have to catch your tail to cut it up and thing. We are going through that, right? So small bites, beautiful. We add them to the corn soup. The last thing you add the dumpling, and then, well, you know, we had chicken, right? There's this addition, right? Lovely. So guys, time for the big moment. Adding all this beautiful, tasty chicken with a nice butter sauce. If you never try this, you need to. Trust me, you need to. Check out that corn soup looking. Well, chicken corn soup. My God, my mouth watering. Let's add some nice pepper sauce on it. Okay, very good. So we will just have 5 minutes later.
Yeah, the chicken. Then adding chicken probably a minute cooking it.
Nice. She didn't overcook the chicken, so I will finish cooking the pot, guys. So guys, she had a very, very small piece of granary. I just get a little extra touch of love. Only the golden way is love. Just look how this melt in the pot. I love you. Check it out. Final little touches, guys. A little drop of chip up shallow honey. Amazing. As you know this soup, guys. Time to taste. Baby crying in the background. Take 3.
Okay, daily vlogs with Videsh here on a nice Tuesday afternoon with some delicious chicken corn soup.
Yeah, you had this already, from Leah?
Nah, never had it before.
You lie. You have to take on my bowl too, huh?
Very, very excited. This is your bowl.
That is my bowl enough then?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm ready for your bowl.
This is your bowl?
Just rest it anyway, you can rest.
Yeah, good.
David bowl now, guys. Check it out. How you mind looking?
First of all, the color is exceptional. You know it's going to taste good.
You don't know that. You gotta taste it to see.
It's looking real good.
I didn't even taste nothing yet.
Look at that. Perfect amount of corn.
This is just some, eh? We have plenty more inside, eh?
Very good. I like to hear that news.
And I'll give you pepper. I want pepper sauce in mine.
Pepper sauce.
Of course. Bring it over the pot now. Yeah, a little drop of pepper sauce. Nice. A little drop for me too, right? Super excited, guys. We're gonna taste this. Get a nice little stir, a little pepper sauce. What we taste? The sauce, the chicken, what we taste? Everything one time?
Everything.
Everything one time. I had a guy dumpling too. But this dumpling might be so hot to eat now. Let me just stick some chicken and sauce there. Yes, let me taste it.
As I suspected.
Frank did it. Frank it. What's that?
Solid. Eat and half out of it.
Let me taste it. I get a 9. Pepper hot dough. Woo! Check it out, guys. I ain't taste no dumpling. I want to taste the dumpling now. What is it? Oh, man. Oh, man, it's in your mouth. Alright. That was the end of the vlog every day. Cindy now come for some broth. David come for broth. Kevin come for some broth this one. Dennis might come for some broth. Sorry. Corn soup. Chicken corn soup. And we all love that. Who tastes it?
Not me.
You like it?
The dumpling real nice.